Model, 69 plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Edition S starts runs engine knocking needs repair or replacing no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 62,115. MOT, the 8th of December 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. This is a very clean van and will make a perfect camper or crew cab conversion. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,125 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on